Okay, guys, got another little Ross Tyser here. The last video I did got a little views on it, and I thought I'd show one more he did. Now this one he made for me, and I told him I didn't want any brass to have to clean. I wanted a good, 4-inch blade, drop point, something easy to clean, easy to use. And he hand forged this himself, and beautiful knife, and got the black maraca, I think you call it. And if you're wondering why there's not a signature on it, I was cleaning the blade one day with some 4-aught stainless steel, and I rubbed his name off. Now, when Ross made it, he left the end of the antler on here, and at the time I was carrying it, and it's a little bulky. So there's a guy here in Landrum. Now Ross is from Spartanburg County, South Carolina, and local guy here that runs a wood shop in town, Ron Robbins. He did this piece for me on the end. This is a sassafras wood, and he put that on there with stainless steel pins, and he brought it together, really nice. So there's two craftsmen at work here, one with Ron did this on the end, which I really love, and then the blade Ross Tyser did, and it just turned out really nice. And while I'm putting plugs in for everybody, I had a custom sheath made. Now this sheath right here, I had made for this knife. Okay, see that? The way that is, I can get this right for you. You can run your belt this way and carry it strong side on my right side, or you can run your belt this way where it's like this, and you can carry it as a cross draw on your left side. And I thought that was really neat. I just had one made for another knife that I've got the other day, but I've had this for years. But that's just a really neat design for that sheath. And Jackson's in Asheville leather shop, they did the sheath for me. So I thought it turned out really nice. I don't carry it much anymore. I use this knife in the kitchen, and I use it a lot. But I thought everything turned out real nice, and when Ron did this, he added just rubbed in a little bit of dye to accent it and to blend it, pull that all together. So, like I say, between the knife maker and the wood maker and then the leather maker, you've got yourself some a nice custom fit here. And when somebody makes something for you just for you, it's a good feeling. So Ross Tyser, he's in Spartanburg County. Ron Robbins, he's here in Landrum, South Carolina. And Jackson's leather shop, Salary, they're in Asheville, North Carolina. So hope you like this one. If you're looking for any of that type of work, give them a shout. Thanks for watching, guys.